we did that. I'm ready to run so many errands that I don't even need to run, because you know when I go in the store, you know what they're gonna tell me? Oh, your lashes look good. Who did them? And I'm gonna be so proud to say me. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do your lashes. So if you're interested, which I know you are because you clicked on the video, girl, stay tuned. So first, before we get started, I'm going to tell you everything that you need, and then I'm going to show you, and then we're going to apply. So it's almost like school where you learn a new lesson, you talk about it, and then you do practice. So first things first, you will need some tweezers, and I like the green ones. I also use the metal ones too, but as you can see, those are super sharp, so you have to be careful because I don't want nobody poking their eye out. Next, you're going to need some bond and seal. So that's basically lash glue and seal for when you get done. Usually they come on the same stick, so one end says bond and the other end says seal. This is the Foscara, and this works really good, so you can get some of this. You can pick this up at Walgreens. I love Walgreens. You can pick this up at the drugstore, or you can order it off Amazon, because what Amazon don't have, I think you can buy a car off Amazon. You will need a powder puff, and you like, girl, we ain't doing no makeup. Why do I need this? I like to use this because when you wash your face, instead of using like a cotton ball or a towel or a paper towel, I like to use this because it's nice and soft and it's not gonna leave lint in your eyelashes. Because when you do your lashes, you need to make sure it's free from glue, free from makeup, and they are clean. So when after you clean them, you can use this to dry your lashes off because they need to be dry too. Then you will need some sort of solution. I use like a makeup wipe. Actually, I use all of it, so it just depends on you. You can use some makeup removal, you can use a wipe, or you can use an alcohol pad. The reason being is usually after I apply a cluster, I wipe the tweezer off because sometimes it can get a bit sticky. So I seen where people lick the tweezers. I'm not finna do that, even though it's my own mouth, it's my own eyes. I'm not finna be licking on no tweezers. And I don't want you to be licking on tweezers either, because that's nasty. Now these spoolies here, these are optional. You don't have to use these, but when you get done putting your clusters on and you feeling real good and proud of yourself, you may want to brush up your lashes. I got these from Temu. So they come like this, and I really got these for my eyebrows, but I use them for my lashes too. You'll also need a pen and paper, and you probably like, girl, what do I need a pen and paper for? Well, if this is your first time doing your lashes yourself, you may not know the Lash Map. So in order to keep your eyes looking the exact same way, you need to write down what you use. If you use 3/16, you need to write down 3/16. If you use 2/14 next, you need to write down 2/14. So whatever the lash map is that you use, you need to write that down so that you can know what you did on your eyes. Because first of all, lashes, they are different. The lash band is different. Some lash bands are shorter, some are longer. So one brand you may use 3/16, and another brand you may only need 2. So, or you may just have good memory, but I know me, I be having a lot of stuff going on in my head, so sometimes I have to write it down. And last but not least, you need some lashes. So these are the lashes I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using this brand right here. And these are the lashes. They have a nice curl, and I got these from Amazon. Let's talk about your lash. So with my lashes, they are pretty long, but I still like to put lash clusters on from time to time, because for one, when I am not wearing makeup, lashes to me is makeup within itself, along with eyebrows. So if I got me a fresh pair of lashes on and my eyebrows are freshly waxed and tinted, girl, I'll be looking so good, so clean, looking well taken care of. So that's what I'm trying to show y'all, because I'm telling y'all, you always want to be self-sufficient with a lot of stuff and a lot of skill, especially in the beauty world. You putting your own nails on, doing your own makeup, your lashes. So I'm going to show you. So let's talk lashes. So these here, they start at a 10 and they go all the way to an 18. If you want something more dramatic and more bold, then you may want to start your lash map at like a 20 or 22. It all depends on you. For one, you want to make sure that your eyes are clean. They are free from old glue, new glue, eyeshadow, makeup you want to make clean and your eyelashes are dry. So that's when this little puff come into place. My face is already clean, my lashes are already clean. But after you clean and dry your face, you just take your puff and you just do like this. You also want to make sure your eyelash is free from oils too. So this will also come into play for that. Usually when I do my lashes, I start at like a 16 because I like something like not too dramatic. If you want something like really natural, then you may want to start with like a 14, and you could do 14 all the way down. You could do like 14, 12, and 10. You can use that for your lash map. So let's talk about removing the lash. So when you remove the lash, don't remove it down here, because you can rip the lash or you can pull some of the hairs off and you're gonna be looking crazy, and I don't want you to be looking crazy. So what you do is you get it as close as possible to the band and pull it off. I showed you how to remove the lash. Now I'm going to show you what you do when you're about to apply your lash. So you're going to get your bun. Make sure you're using the bun side because I don't want you to be using the seal side, but you will know what side is which. This side right here, the clear side, that's the seal side. This side right here is like mascara. This is the bun side, the lash glue. You need to make sure that you are on this side. So when you get ready to put your glue on, you just lift your eye up. Don't put it on your waterline. Don't put it down there. You're basically gonna put it like you're putting mascara on. That's what you're going to do. You will put this all over your lashes like that. Okay. Now what I like to do is, after I put my glue on my lashes, I like to take some glue and put it on the band as well. So I take some glue and put it on the band so that I can make sure that it's going to adhere. When I put it on my lash and drop it off, it stays there. It's not coming back with me. So you just you put the bun on your lashes and you put it on the band too. That's what you do. Make sure y'all, when y'all get done with y'all bun, you close it up really good, because some of these glues, they dry really fast and I don't want y'all to like waste your money by letting some air seep in there, and when you go to open it up, it be dried out. We don't want that. Now that you have the glue on your lash band, what you'll do is you're going to lift your eye up and you're going to start with your 16, your 18, your 20, however you want them. You're going to put that big number on the outer corner, and then we're going to go in the inner corner with the smallest number. So when you get ready to put your lash on, you lift your eye up with clean fingers. Don't eat some hot wings and then come over here and try to put your lashes on. You're going to burn your eye out. So you lift your lashes up, you lift your eyelid up. When you're applying your lashes, make sure your tweezers are not so down far to the lash band. Okay? You don't want to do that. You want to make sure they're at least this high, this much of a distance before you put it on. So again, you're going to put it on your lashes like mascara. Put some on the lash band. Make sure your tweezers you're holding your lash nice and firm, and you pull your eyelid up, and when you place it, don't put the lash on your waterline. Don't do that, because when you blink, it's going to be irritating. You're going to get ready to pull all your hard work out. We're not going to do that. So you're going to put it on. Don't put it all the way up here either. You will put it about right there. And now it's on. Once the lash is on, you're going to go in with some seal, and you're going to lift the lash up and seal the lashes together. Also, I like to put some on my tweezer and then squeeze that together too, so it can be on there really good, really firm, that extra security. So that's what I do. When I go in and do the inner corner, I like to turn the tweezer like this. kind of like to the side so that it will be easier to put on. Eyes are round, they curve, they're not just straight. So me constantly just putting it on like this, you see what happens when you get to the end? It's straight. So I just turn the lash to the side so that way I can pop it right on. When you're getting ready to remove your lashes, I'm not going to show you in this video because I'm actually finna wear these lashes for real, for real. Don't pull them off because your lashes, you're going to be bald headed by the lashes, and I don't want that. So you need some lash removal. So this is cluster lash removal. This is like in a gel form. You can do it like this. When you do it like this and you drag it, they will start to come off. Don't just pull your lashes off. Use the proper product to remove them. So that is how we apply our lashes. Now I am about to apply them for real. So when you put your lash on, after you put it on, give it a little push. Then I periodically squeeze. If you feel like your glue is drying up, all you have to do is just go back in with your bun and just put some more. And I got my alcohol pad and I just wipe. When you put them on, make sure that it's next to your other lash. Make sure you putting it as close as possible to the last cluster that you put on. So now we have our lash on. Look at us. Look what we did. So I did 3/16s, 2/14s, 2/12s, and 1/10. That was my lash map. So next we're going to go to the seal side and we're going to take some and just do like this. Then I'm going to take some and I'm going to put it on my lash, my tweezers like this. Get some on here. Like that. Now, if you want to be fancy, you just get your brush and do like this. After you put the seal on the tweezers, wipe that off. Wipe and clean that off. And there you have it. You just did yourself a lash set. Do these not look like $180? Do these not look like they cost $180, $150? Because y'all know them lash extensions are expensive. And every time I do my lash, I feel so proud of myself. I feel good. So I'm finna go ahead and do the other eye. I'll be right back. Okay, girl, look. This is the final look. Look at my lashes. We did that. I'm ready to run so many errands that I don't even need to run, because you know when I go in the store, you know what they're gonna tell me? Oh, your lashes look good. Who did them? And I'm gonna be so proud to say me. I did not get that hey boo text. You feel me? I didn't get it. And as you can see, y'all, it gave me a facelift already. Like, look at me. All I have to do is wake up and go. And this is gonna last me about 2 weeks, because I don't do a lot when I have my clutches on, because if I do decide to put some makeup on, I'm just gonna put the base on. I'm not gonna put any eyeshadow on or anything, because I don't want the eyeshadow and stuff falling into the lashes. It's gonna make it look so dirty, and I'm not for that. So what I do is I just don't wear any eye makeup, and I'll be good to go. Or if I just want to give my face a rest from foundation and makeup for like a week, this is going to be my makeup, because I don't have anything on, y'all, but some lashes. That's it. So if you got some lashes on, your hair done, and your brows done, that's makeup within itself. And you are already beautiful anyway, don't get me wrong, but we are women. Look, I'm a girl. I'm just a girl, and I like girl stuff. And this is one of them. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and do your lashes, girl, and come back and comment, I did it, girl. I'm so proud of you. You got this. Don't get frustrated. Don't give up. And when it comes to lashes, it's just like finding a man or finding a partner. You got to keep going through them until you find the ones that you like. I will put the link down below. Like that, they say, look at my lashes. Cute, girl. So cute. I really enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed teaching you something that I know. And guess what? When you do this enough, you're going to have another skill in your bag, and you're going to be ready to pull it out whenever the time comes. Thank you for watching, and until next time, girl.